Hey everybody, Dunskill here. Hope you're having a good day. Do you like clean tones? I like clean tones. Today I'm looking at two different amps from Mesa Boogie, the California Tweed and the Mark 525. Let's see how the clean tones compare for these two amps. Check this out. So whether it's clean strumming, funky spanking, jazzing out, or chicken picking, getting a good clean sound is the basis of a lot of great sounds and tones. The two amps I'm comparing today are the Mesa Boogie California Tweed with 6V6 tubes in it and the Mark 525 with EL84s. After a playing demo, I'll share my own thoughts, but I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Since the California Tweed is a single channel amp, I thought it was best to compare them sort of head to head on a clean channel type setting. I'm running both amps at 10 watts and I've got the EQs set up pretty much the same. Here are the settings for the California Tweed. And for the Mark 525. Now with the Mark 525 there's a little bit of cheating involved because the EQ is engaged, and right now I'm on the fat setting of the clean channel, and I'm a fat guy sitting on a clean channel amp. And you might be wondering, well, what about the cabinets? Well, to keep that equal, I'm running both amps through my universal aux box. I love saying aux box. I've chosen the dynamic green Tweed cabinet with a 1x12 greenback speaker. There's no reverb or EQ, and I've done my best to keep the volumes the same between both amps. To equalize the differences in playing performance, I'm going to use my Ditto Looper Plus. My signal chain is going to go guitar, looper, amp, aux, to Logic Pro, and stereo. So best listened to with headphones or really good speakers. So for these loops, I'm using my Sir Classic here, and you'll be hearing the 4 different playing examples played back to back through each different amp. So after editing this video together, I came up with a couple conclusions. For one, I thought that the California Tweed sounded better on the jazz and country parts, and I thought the Mark V 25 sounded better on the funk and strummier parts. Both amps have a lot of character in their clean tone and work really well with pedals. Now a couple caveats, with the Mark V 25 I had the EQ engaged, but I have it run pretty flat, so it's not really doing much. So if you like what you see, please click like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram down here. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Take care everybody and have a great day.